At first, the replies are just a little shorter. Then plans become, "We should hang soon," without a date. They stop asking follow-up questions. Nothing officially happened. The relationship feels like a room where the lights are slowly being dimmed. Distance often arrives quietly, before anyone names it. Effort is one of the clearest signals in a relationship. Closeness is built from repeated small investments. Someone asks questions, someone follows through. Someone repairs a misunderstanding. When those investments fade, the relationship feels thinner, even if the words stay polite. This does not always mean rejection. People get busy or stressed, but a pattern of low effort still tells you what the relationship can hold right now. The mistake is trying to restore closeness by increasing your effort alone. You send longer messages, become more available, and carry both sides. That can hide the truth for a while. Instead, look for mutual movement over time, not perfect equality, but some reaching, repair, and curiosity from both sides. If it matters, name the shift gently. If nothing returns, you have information. You do not have to chase every fading connection until you are exhausted. The reason this feels personal is that relationships rarely give perfect data. A late reply, a shorter message, or a canceled plan leaves room for interpretation. The mind fills that room quickly. But not every feeling is a final truth. Sometimes the feeling is a signal to separate facts from stories. What actually happened? What pattern has repeated? What ordinary explanation might exist? This is where emotional clarity becomes practical. You do not need to chase every silence or turn every social shift into proof. You need to look for patterns and stop doing the other person's half of the relationship. A healthier relationship with people begins with a healthier relationship to uncertainty. Some things need a direct conversation, some need time, some need a boundary. The goal is not to stop caring. The goal is to stop letting every unclear moment become a trial against you.